Where exactly all this confusion stems from.
When the big influencers talk about कि अगर तुम MBA कर रहे हो तो तुम बेवकूफ हो. On paper nobody cares. They can't afford, so I didn't ये. और उल्टा भी तो हो सकता है. वो we have this story of a fox saying कि अंगूर नहीं मिले तो कट्टे. वो भी हो सकता है. You have to prove your importance and relevance to the industry right now. Recently I have started getting youngsters who wants to go to Korea and they want to go to Korea. I'm like क्यों जाने तेरे को? I'm a BTS fan. Okay.
Army.
Yeah, and a BTS army. And I'm like, okay, that's why you want to go Korea. India is having the highest number of iPhone users.
Yeah.
और फिर हम बोलते हैं हमारा देश गरीब है. That's very contradictory.
So AI is taking all our jobs.
Not all your jobs. I would say the redundant job, yes.
Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to What's the Point? And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys, a lot of our audience, because you're youth and young, and I believe you all must be, approaching the last semester of your colleges and schools probably, and just getting into a different, I think bracing yourself to get into a different phase of your life and moving from junior college or your graduation to somewhere where you have to pick your career, where you have to pick your specializations, and there must be a lot and lot of information surrounding you, a lot of confusion surrounding you. And to ease a little bit of that, I have with me a very special guest, Pooja Gupta. Please welcome her on What's the Point? She is a career coach and an entrepreneur, which means she works with a lot of students, a lot of educational institutes. Definitely the right person to answer all your questions. And today in this conversation, we are going to try and simplify a little bit of your worries. Maybe not, give you a short solution, but provide you a little bit of guidance to figure things out for yourself and understand what exactly is the point of it all. A very warm welcome, Pooja.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being on our pod today. I mentioned that you work with a lot of students and a lot of educational institutes. So I believe a lot of these questions are something you probably deal with on a daily basis. And I think the very basic thing that I would like to begin with is I would like to ask you where exactly, all this confusion stems from, because our students and the youth really worried about, just picking the right course. Like, is this going to be relevant? Is AI going to take away my job? Or is this really necessary? What if this degree just does not provide me anything 3-4 years down the line? If I'm going to make enough money, if I pick this career or that career. So what exactly is this entire confusion, or what is causing this confusion?
Okay, so as you correctly said, all of this stems from somewhere. Okay?
Right.
And it was always there that what to do next, kya hoga career mein. But now it's more, and it starts at a very early age in school itself. That am I good enough? Will I be making enough money? What college should I go? There's a lot of thing associated with the brand name of the college as well with the youngsters out there right now. And I would say, in short, if you ask me, 90% of the thing I'll put it on social media, because all our youngsters, as this podcast also, they're watching it on social media itself.
Yeah.
So it's a platform which is giving you good information, at the same time confusing you a lot, because there are so many voices, there are so many opinions. And hota hai na kai baar ki the more the democratic platform, you have no control over who is talking what.
Right.
And whether what you are watching is a correct information or no. So the stemming of it happens on the platform which is consumed by our youngsters, and the comparison since the time they get up in the morning, they watch their phone, be it Instagram, be it YouTube, be it Snapchat, wherever they are. There's a constant comparison. Oh, the similar age of guy at the 18 having Mercedes, or having a life which I want. So that pressure is constantly there on them, that to look good, like an Instagrammable picture, have an aesthetic life, or you say have an iPhone, which is the latest one. Similarly is happening with the career. They are looking for that perfect thing, that I want to do something which is happening, which is relevant, without even understanding that okay fine, if I get into it, it's not just to show on paper, or there's security of the career. So lot of things comes from there, wherein there's a half baked information and lot of opinions.
Right.
That's why I tell all the youngsters out there and the parents that if you want to make a career decision, make it an informed decision. Whatever you're watching or consuming, be sure about where you're listening from. Like, the source of information needs to be correct. So
Right.
you need to do your research right. So if you fix that up, I think apna 50% kaam ho jayega. So that's one thing I would say. Yeah, somewhere social media is responsible, but 50% is our responsibility to, check the sources, to listen to the right voices, and third, get our research and the facts correct. Then
Right.
only we'll be able to take a right decision.
True. That is very true. I think one thing that social media has like really, really put out there for people, or I don't know, really influenced the youth with is uh, moving abroad to study.
Yeah.
So I think it keeps coming up on your feeds. I don't even know if these are relevant universities, relevant institutions, but I feel like everyone is studying abroad at this point,
Okay.
or is like preparing to move abroad.
So when you're saying this, I think your feed or your peer group, a lot of them are studying abroad.
Yeah, they
so it's
are.
like your peer group, I would say, and your classmates or the similar people who have moved abroad, because everyone has their own circle. India
Right.
is with massive population, different kind of budget, different kind of lifestyle, and yes, there is a certain segment of students who want to study abroad.
Right.
And there's a valid reason to it. First thing is, India में IB board है, A plus है, IGCSE है, but there is no relevant higher educational institute. There are
Right.
only couple of them. They are charging like exorbitant money. So the parents who are planning to put that much money there, they are saying कि ये तो abroad में पढ़ाई हो जाएगा, equal amount of money.
Right.
So when you talk about higher education options, India is really good if you talk about the options in terms of your state public universities, your central university, but again, the choice is yours and the pocket sizes.
Right.
Now, going abroad, if this we would have been talking 20 years back, things were completely different. The job opportunities, the kind of money that you make, the relationship, like, the international relationship was completely different. Before COVID also, I would say, in fact, the market was completely different. But right now, if you see, the scenario is different. The kind of global disturbance that's happening, the kind of issues that Indians are facing with the visas, with the
Right.
jobs, with immigration, lot of issues are there. So the amount of student going abroad, are they able to make the similar kind of life or get the similar kind of job they used to get previously, is become a big question mark.
Right.
So when you say you're going abroad, if you don't have a clear roadmap or a plan or something that you're sure about, I would say rather you finish your graduation here, because India gives you a lot of flexibility and options back in
Right.
country. I'm not comparing again the quality of education, because every country and every institute will have something different to offer depending on the field that you're choosing.
Right.
You cannot like put a cap on comparing engineering studies to media studies.
Right.
Different countries, different institutes offering different quality of education. It all depends on what you want. So when we say a lot of students are going, yes, if the parents are having sufficient amount of money that they put in their education for the exposure, and even if the candidate comes back to India, they have a set business now.
Right.
Tension nahi hai. But if you put that much of money loaning it out and get back to India and find a job to repay your money, that's gonna be a task. So
Right.
I always say, if you have sufficient, go, because you want to enjoy the life, you want to see the kind of life being lived. Yes, there's going to be a different exposure, you will learn a lot, but if you are taking loan and going out and thinking that ye repay ho hi jayega, there is no assurity of it, because no university or a degree today in today's scenario is guaranteeing you a job per se, or say ki
Right.
yehi outcome milega. There is a rat race. There is a race where you have to make it with your profile and portfolio that everyone is talking about. So the question comes to me कि मैम इसका मतलब graduation करना ही नहीं चाहिए क्या? And also when the big influencers talk about कि अगर तुम MBA कर रहे हो तो तुम बेवकूफ हो. But dude, come on, not everyone is like you, maybe getting the opportunity or say doing the same thing. MBA करना बेवकूफ़ी आपके लिए हो सकती है. Again, it's a particular person's opinion.
Right.
But for a majority of the audience or the kids, they need a particular formal education that will give them a platform, a boost, a skill that is required to set in that particular job. So it completely boils down to evaluate your everything, your personal choices to your pocket size. As you said, huge amount of money goes in the education these days. Then what is the outcome that you are expecting?
Right.
Then only you will be able to again take a informed and a right decision for yourself.
So, like, do you think that the students, the youth today, takes a lot of these decisions based on just, these curated, fed, very
Yes.
internet fed
Yes.
ways that, oh, the
Yes.
lifestyle is going to be better
Yes.
over there. Oh, I'm going to get into this university and, I will come back
मेरी
with a
life
hefty
वो
job.
student of the year के जैसी
Yeah,
होगी.
and I'll come back and companies will be like just throwing themselves at me. So do you see this among students as well,
Yes,
wherein they
it is
make
there.
choices out of mere these curated or fed opinions or fed ideas of what it is going to be studying abroad?
Study abroad or being sticking to a particular university choice, I would say yes, there is a lot of curated information pieces out there which is telling you what to do, what not to do. I would say please use your own research and your intelligence to take a call that if somebody is saying so, XYZ saying XY ABC, you have to again reevaluate all the things and take decisions. So when you say curated form, yes, you know that, I bluntly say this, education is a business. नो मैटर वर्ड वो जो एथिकल हम बोलते हैं या फिर बोलते हैं कि मॉरल है, यस है, बट सबको अपना घर चलाना है. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ को पैसे कमाने, तभी जाके वो स्टाफ को पैसा दे पाएगी और तुम्हें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे पाएगी. सो यस, इंडीड इज़ अ बिजनेस. एंड बिजनेस जब तक वो मार्केट नहीं करेंगे उनका नहीं चलेगा. सो व्हेन आई सी लॉट ऑफ counselors in all the IB boards and A plus, they will always counsel you in such a way in your 8-9 standard कि तेरे को सीधा बाहर निकलना है. And there's a conversion. Each student is 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees. Each conversion is 1 lakh 2 lakh, which is a hefty amount. अगर आप 20 बच्चे भी भेज देते हो पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी में जिसके साथ आपका टाई अप है, 20 लाख रुपए बन गए आपके. And when we say career coach, career mentor, career counselors, in India the sad scenario is ये job conversion base पे होती है. Conversion मतलब आप कितने बच्चों को convert कर सकते हो मेरे institute में. That's a sad scenario. And any career counselor doing so, I would say यार ethically थोड़ा मत करो. आप options दो ना बच्चे को and let them decide. So when you're saying curated, आपको उस तरीके से बताया जाता है, वो personal हो सकता है या फिर वो on a mass level influence हो सकता है. I would again re-emphasize on आप अपने choices बनाते हो, but be clear with कि whether you want to do it or not at the end of the day. So when this whole thing is packaging of things are happening, again you check your pocket size, you check your requirement and then accordingly go. So yes, I would say a lot of information is being misfed in a certain way कि तू अगर ये college से करेगा तेरे को इतने package तो मिल ही जाएगा. But have you seen even Oxford and Harvard is not able to place all of their students? Then we are talking about some XYZ university or an institute कि आपको guarantee job दे देगा. यार 120 से लेके, if you talk about maximum, there are thousands of students passing out in that year. As when you started, you said कि बच्चे pass out कर रहे होंगे. क्या सबको placement मिल जाएगी? Tell me one institute can guarantee 100%? Nobody. आपकी capability पे depend करेगा at the end of the day. And when you see the job market is again very much saturated, I would say there are enough jobs right now. Yes, indeed, it's not like a job nahi hai, but again, you have to go and be there. Institutes are not doing it for you. So again, this information which is curated, it is somewhere marketed or say advertised in a way. You have to see to it that whether it fits in your requirement. Then go ahead. Otherwise, I would say no.
And then when you say there are jobs out there, but then it's again saturated. There are jobs, but certain fields which are saturated, I feel.
Yeah, certain field is saturated because see, when you talk about upscaling, okay, when you talk about upgrading yourself, what is happening? There's a lot of misconception in terms of job market absorption.
Right.
Yes, there are certain kind of what do you say, IT jobs जो redundant हो गए हैं, AI आ गया है, there's layoff happening in biggest of the companies, like Amazon kind of a company, what they are doing is, वो बोल रहे हैं मैन पावर में मैं पैसा डालने से अच्छा AI जनरेट करके AI bots लगा दूंगा, तो the callers का जॉब खत्म हो गया. Then you talk about tally वालों का जॉब खत्म हो गया, तो the monotonous job gonna be redundant. So what happens is, if you are informed, a student who is at least privileged to get the fair education, I would say, dude, just a degree will not give you anything.
Right.
what you have to do is you have to see which segment you want to go in, और वहाँ का जो relevance चीज़ें हैं वो आपको सीखना ही पड़ेगा. And all of you guys might be knowing right now there's lot of networking that helps you.
Right.
The referrals that help you, because आप ऑनलाइन ढूंढने जाओगे आप नहीं ढूंढ पाते हो. सो ऐसे कि आप देखोगे जॉब खुली है, आप सीवी डालते हो बट कभी रिवर्ट नहीं आता है.
Right.
Why? Because half of the thing is ऑटो हो गया, मतलब ATS में डाल दिया है कि भाई आधी सीवी वहीं निकल जाती है.
Exactly.
10% ऑफ द सीवीज आर रीचिंग टू द HR. आफ्टर दैट कंपनी में कौन सा जाता है, किसी का रिकमेंडेशन आ गया, अरे यार इसने बोला ये अच्छा है चल इसको ले ले. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग इज योर नेटवर्किंग. सो देर इज जॉब बट यू हैव टू, while you are in college, go out there on the field, do your internship, make network, be available. What is happening, I will be very frank, when they are watching these young creators, they are saying ask, demand for the money. Dude, तेरे पास कुछ नहीं है पैसे देने को एक कंपनी के पास, तू पहले फ्री में सर्विस तो दे, क्योंकि वो लोग तेरे को सिखा रहे हैं ऑन द जॉब, तेरे को बता रहे हैं कि कैमरा कैसे लगाना है, रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे करनी है. फॉर दैट यू आर आस्किंग मनी फ्रॉम देम. ओके, फ्री लेबर है, ये सब एक ऐसे शुरू कर दिया उन्होंने कि नहीं फ्री में लेबर मत करो, यू शुड आस्क, यू शुड डिमांड. डूड फर्स्ट लर्न, कॉलेज में पहले सीख लो, उसके बाद वंस यू नो दैट डूड इफ आई कम ऑन योर सेट आई कैन ऑफर यू ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज आई हैव डन इट प्रायर, दे विल हैप्पीली पे यू. So again there is not lot of misleading thing that without even experience they start demanding for money. So what's happening, companies are not comfortable offering that. I'm not saying intern should not be paid, but when you should start demanding for it, you have enough experience and then demand. But जब तक नहीं है, जब तक जाके सीख लो, what's wrong in it?
Right.
I don't know how much you agree with that.
I think, yeah, I believe, yes, when I was working, or when I was actually studying, I have done a lot of unpaid internships.
Exactly. Even I have done it. Dude,
Yeah.
But that paid me much better later on because I used it as my strength. And,
Right.
you know, I said, dude, I can do this for you. I've done this for this company. So I can.
Right.
People were happy to pay me at that
And
point
it
of
was
time.
fine while I was studying. I think the problem began for me was when I have done my internships during my course of, you know, whatever, my PG, my bachelor's. And then now I'm passed out. I'm looking for a job. And there are certain, it so happens that certain times you look at an internship, even if you look at an internship JD or something, if they put out something, the JDs are absolutely going crazy out there. People really need to chill with their JDs, I feel. But
ChatGPT है ना यार, लिखना नहीं पड़ता अभी.
but it would be like, yeah, you're looking for an intern and the person should know this person should know that, but the intern is coming there to study. The moment you start asking an intern to know everything and then come for you, that person is going to expect some kind of remuneration.
That's what I'm saying. When the intern is saying I can do this,
Yeah.
okay, and they have a past experience, they deserve to earn money.
Right.
But if they don't have past experience, they say मेरे पास Google certificate है, मैं editing जानता हूँ, you give them an edit, and that's like really sad. How would somebody pay you? Tell me.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. When you're saying that you have done enough and then people are not willing to pay, that's sad. That should not happen.
Correct.
If you can give your service, then I'm fine with it. Then you know that's somewhere you should be getting paid.
Right.
But till the time you are not ready to give service, you are like on paper, then I would say go work for free. It's fine.
Right.
Because you know what, at the end of the day that company will say कि यार ये लड़का मेरे को चाहिए या ये बंदी मेरे को चाहिए. क्यों? Because they are fixing the things for you.
Right.
So you have to prove your importance and relevance to the industry right now, and that's how it's functioning. On paper, nobody cares. You keep on saying, okay, I demand this much because this is the service I can give. And then I see content on that as well saying, they can't afford, so I didn't. ये पर उल्टा भी तो हो सकता है वो, you know, we have this story of a fox saying कि अंगूर नहीं मिले तो कट्टे, वो भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
मतलब you never know what's the real story.
Right.
So I said, again, you know, do your thing. I mean, do your thing right. You will get what you deserve. It's like nobody can stop you. But then before demanding, you should have that in you. That's
Right.
very important.
True. And while we spoke of JDs, I would really like to bring this up again because it has struck a nerve. So when we see even for positions or people who are looking out for jobs, who've done their internships, who've are beginning out as working professionals, it comes across as sometimes the job description is demanding too much.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it would be like, oh, so looking for a social media manager, should know editing also, should know scheduling also,
Cost
should
cutting.
know designing
Company,
also.
right?
So you're looking like 4 different roles in one role.
Yeah. So
But
again, वो कंपनी कौन सी होगी आप देखोगे तो it's a small time company who is not looking for many say many people, who is looking for one
yeah,
person can do all of these things. So you also have to see कौन सी कंपनी आपको जेडी दे रही है. अगर वो नेटफ्लिक्स देगा वो बहुत क्लियर देगा कि भाई आई वांट दिस पर्सन फॉर मार्केट रिसर्च, मीन्स वो
right,
एडिटर नहीं होगा, वो भाई मार्केट रिसर्च करेगा, उसको टूल्स आने चाहिए, मुझे आउटकम देना चाहिए. एंड यू शुड हैव सच बैकग्राउंड. So the bigger the company, they know, okay, fine, I can use my resource for only one person. But if the company is budgeting, as you know, India is a playground of startups,
yeah,
and everybody wants to be entrepreneur. So what you are expecting in GD? जेडी तो वही देगा ना, देखो
yeah,
कि स्टार्टअप ही है वो खुद. तो स्टार्टअप में इफ द फाउंडर इज डूइंग एवरीथिंग, द एम्प्लॉय इज ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टेड टू डू एवरीथिंग.
of course,
तू एडिटर भी है, तू ये भी है, तू ये भी है. तो दैट इज हाउ द कल्चर हैज बिकम. सो
right,
इफ यू गो इन अ स्टार्टअप कल्चर, यू विल बी डूइंग 10,000 jobs, and that's demanded from you. It is your choice whether you want to go there or no. At times, you
right,
know, you say in startup people learn a lot if it is run by a good founder or have a vision who gives you that freedom, and of course good money also. Not good, decent money अगर starting के लिए दे दे तो भी चलेगा. But when you're saying that JD, if you see, that is always a startup.
yeah,
इफ इट इज एस्टैब्लिश कंपनी, उनका क्लियर है मेरे को ये बंदा इस काम के लिए चाहिए, वो सोशल मीडिया तो सिर्फ वही करेगा. एंड एट टाइम्स आई हैव सीन द जेडी विच से सिर्फ पोस्टिंग करने का काम है, वो भाई एडिट
right,
भी नहीं करता है, वो सिर्फ एडिटर के पास से आया है, उसको पोस्ट करना है. ये कौन सी प्रोफाइल होती है? नाउ तो आई एम लाइक भाई ये मैं खुद करती हूँ. तो लाइक इसके लिए भी एक बंदा लगता है. दैट इज
yeah,
समथिंग वेरी. एंड देन व्हेन दे कम, दे वर्क इन अ बिगर कंपनी एंड दे सी कि अरे यार ये भी करना है. एंड व्हेन दे कम टू यू नो द स्मॉलर कंपनी, दे विल बी लाइक I can post, I can give you a schedule. Now the chat GPT is doing that, dude.
yeah,
मेरा हुड सूट कर रहा है, मेरा कैलेंडर भी वो दे रहा है. तो imagine if you're saying I want a higher salary and I just want to do this and I don't
yeah,
know edit and designing, you are irrelevant then. That's the thing.
right. So AI is taking all our jobs.
Not all your jobs. I would say the redundant job, yes.
Yeah,
AI is a powerful tool, and
right,
I'm with the say that if you use it wisely, अगर आपको already knowledge है, you can do wonders with AI. But
right,
if you are a naive person and you have an AI, you will produce the same result as any random XYZ. तो क्या होगा अभी जब AI बहुत ज़्यादा dominate करेगा in the next coming years, the originality will be valued more.
right,
So you know, in one of my podcasts, I gave an example कि plastic surgery के बाद सब हीरोइन एक जैसी दिख रही है. तो what is happening is they're going back to original. Oh, ये
right,
original है, इसने कुछ नहीं किया.
yeah,
She looks much more better than
natural,
all
very,
natural than
yeah,
all the puff lips and
yes,
perfect figure. वो नहीं चाहिए. So AI is getting you there somewhere.
right,
All of us will have the same kind of hook, same kind of script, same kind of things to offer. But what will work? Somebody comes out of the blue and connects to the people. Why? Because they'll find them more relevant, not a
right,
machine generated thing. So if you are smart, if you are, you know, sound enough with your knowledge, you gonna stay in the job.
right,
But if you are doing the monotony of copy pasting, see यार Photoshop पहले इतनी मेहनत से सीखा हमने, like being a mass media student, इतनी मेहनत से सीखा. now Canva is remove background, हो गया
yeah,
काम मेरा. So when you're saying taking away the job, वो काटना पड़ता था 15 मिनट, आधे घंटे लगे थे
yeah,
जब सीखा था, फिर 15 मिनट लगते थे. And now it's like remove background, it's done.
yeah,
You know, you're cropped out of the picture.
right,
So that's how the AI is helping you. So AI gonna be a part of all of our lives, but you need to see how you are beyond AI, not
right,
just sticking there, because AI is fetching all the information that is on the web. They don't still have the emotional intelligence,
right,
wherein the human intervention will come in. So the youngsters needs to understand, if the chat GPT is off, still they are able to write a letter at least, which is now becoming difficult.
right,
They're not able to write. Deal
yeah,
with them. Like, you know, the kind of CVs or the kind of letter they'll send you now. Off कर दे chat GPT, कुछ नहीं आने वाला. Because they want somebody to frame it for you, right?
right,
So I'm saying अगर तेरे पास सिर्फ पेन और पेपर है और फोन नहीं है, what can you do? That gonna decide now a lot of things.
right. So students and youth really need to also, you know, pay attention to these skills as well. While
Yes.
AI is making things easier for us and it is helping us in a lot of things, but I think we have to like still pay
Yeah,
attention
because
that we don't let these things just, we don't get our brain also redundant.
Exactly. So now AI में, like for example, मैंने AI से एकदम मस्त CV बना लिया. मैंने you know best of the CV JD से मैच करते हुए full instruction के साथ using 4-5 AI, I have done a
Yeah.
best of the CV. Now my CV got selected. But if you don't have an interpersonal skills, that we say soft skills, how to talk, how to communicate,
Right.
your personality is zero. How you going to get selected? Tell me. How you going to survive in that company?
Right.
The moment you enter for an interview, you are rejected. So the point is, AI is there. उसने उसका काम कर दिया है तेरे लिए. But you have to complement it with the similar impact that you send a CV online
Right.
or say on the paper. When you go and talk in front of, you know, the person who is hiring you, you need to again please them, right? So a lot of universities are again now introducing interviews in their selection process.
Yeah.
That's why they are asking for the portfolio, that what have you done. NEP, which is National Education Policy, at least on paper, says you should have a lot of activities you should be involved in. They are giving you grades for that. I mean,
Yeah.
the credits for that, in short, which previously was not there. So now you get credits for that as well, where if you get involved more and more, which means you balance it out. There's an
Right.
online personality and there needs to be your skills that you have to work on. Communication AI आपको बोलना मतलब words use करना सिखाएगा, but how you present it, how is your body language, that you have to work on yourself. So
Right.
offline online दोनों balance करके you can.
So this is also
fulfill.
one skill that the youth and students really need to like take up and work on, apart from just, you know, I don't know, their grades or just.
Yeah, because
So it's again like you cannot just be a textbook person. You cannot just be an AI person. You
cannot.
have to.
I mean, imagine now what has happened is when you meet any of your younger sibling or
Yeah.
youngsters in the room, all of us also are on phone. You know, the communication is lacking somewhere.
Right.
There is no human communication that's missing. And you know what? That I feel that kind of profession gonna grow more. That will be in demand, where people will pay for. That has already started happening globally. I think China or Japan, I don't remember. I think it's China, where you are hiring somebody to talk for an hour.
Oh.
Yeah, because there's nobody to talk. So you know.
Oh yeah. You can hire
It's-
people to just have
you can-
conversations with.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
I
can
think,
hire
yes.
people to have conversation. Imagine.
Right.
So that gonna boom.
So
I mean,
I think I think it is some Asian country itself, because
it's-
people.
I think China or
Yeah, I think
somewhere.
it came out from the loneliness thing, because people are staying by themselves and
Yeah, it's
occupied
all on
works,
online,
no
no?
social life left.
because what is happening, see, at the end of the day, you are human. You need an emotional connect. You need to talk to somebody. Yes, you can have an AI bot to do that as well. I mean, you know,
Yes.
the youngsters are making them as a boyfriend or
They
a
are
girlfriend.
chat. Am I cooked?
Yeah, there's like, you know, they're quoting and they're like, act as my boyfriend, and he's doing it. Hey,
Yeah.
babe, how are you? And all this happening. But at the end of the day, after a point, you will need human
Yes.
interaction. You will need, you know, to be sane, you will need that. So I am very sure about psychology careers gonna boom up like anything in coming years, because a lot of
Yes.
mental health issues will come now.
Of
Lot
course.
of again physical health issues will come.
Of
So
course.
a lot of that section will open up, wherein you will go for yoga and meditation. So a lot of things will happen.
I think it's happening. It's
It's
begun
already
already.
happening. We are seeing the impact what's happening with the younger generation,
Right.
because of the lifestyle as well. Because if you switch off the screen, there's lots more in life.
Right.
So
Then
that's more
in
important.
that case, do you think that schools and educational institutes need to take this up, you know, like thoroughly,
Yeah.
to
they have
inculcate
to.
and
They
integrate
have
this
to.
from
And
a
in fact-
very from a very starting point in schools itself?
Yeah.
Because you cannot like have a child grow up on, there are already these digital screens in schools, and it's already everything digital, and then you cannot have a child just come up in their junior college or like directly in their graduation years and be like, you know what, now you have to balance things out.
That's true. See, two things are happening. One is, first we ran behind all the e-learning things and education. Now we are talking about undoing it after the
Right.
impact is going really in another way. So schools in Haryana have started that. They have started, doing something which Japan follows in terms of practical learning, and kids need to come to school, clean, wash, all of these things. So yes, that's one thing that schools should inculcate,
Yeah.
wherein they also need to create awareness about the gender roles जो हमारे यहाँ पे defined है, वो change हो रहे हैं. Practical learning is coming in, and one thing I emphasize on, as social media या mobile आप उनसे अलग नहीं कर पाओगे. So the most important thing that you need to introduce in schools is media literacy, wherein in India is very important, because India is a place where globally we stand second in number to consumption of internet. Okay, we are the heaviest consumer of online platforms, and majority of them are youngsters. So if there is a media literacy, we cannot change everything upside down, but जो impact होगा वो हम कम कर पाएंगे. मतलब the damage that gonna happen where our kids think कि everything is real, the perfect body, the perfect marriage, the perfect relationship, उन्हें ये समझ में आएगा कि dude, this is documented and this is content, this is not reality. Because the best moment in our lives are very natural. We don't get up in the morning with an eyeliner and a puffed hair. We get up like an somebody like a
we
messy hair.
messed up.
Yeah,
We wake up
it's-
messed
but
up.
you know, the cinema or the social media shows you that
Right.
standard of की मतलब होता है ना, अपने
Yeah.
इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के वीडियोस जब हम देखते हैं कि यार वो सुबह सुबह उठ
सुबह
रहा
उठ
है,
रहा
फिर
है,
चाय पी रहा है, बाहर देख रहा है, डूड वो सुबह उठता है, ब्रश करता है, तैयार होता है, फिर कैमरा सेट करता है, फिर सोता है अंदर, और फिर मतलब वो पार्ट शूट करता है. So that's where the media literacy comes in, and if it starts in the younger age, wherein before they start getting cell phones or internet in their hand, they know what they're watching is true or false. I mean, that if comes in, by the time they are reaching their adulthood or the teenager, they know what to expect from reality, rather than on screen जो वो देख रहे हैं. They should realize that this is not the reality, that's somewhere manufactured or somewhere a content at the end of the day. So that will definitely help, and schools will be able to be a major player in this as an educational institute. Schools, colleges can play a major role, because घर पे माँ बाप की तो कोई नहीं सुनता, इसलिए तो वो स्कूल भेजते हैं. तो schools को, or people should take this ownership and responsibility, who are like, say, responsible creators, should create this awareness.
Right. And when it comes to schools and colleges, while I think a lot of schools, colleges are doing this, integrating such kind of courses, such kind of extracurricular activities in their curriculums, what are the other things that you think, like gaps in our institutions, that you think educational institutes should really take up, that to ease out, I don't know, the pressure on children?
See, the first thing our Indian education needs to understand is, don't tag them as कि ये बच्चे बेकार है. उन्होंने क्या किया हमारे टाइम पे, हमें किया, तुम्हें किया. नाउ अभी जेनजीज के ऊपर आ गई हैं सारी चीज़ें, दैट दे आर यूजलेस. बट I think as a mature individual or educators or an institute, we need to get along with them, understand them that they are under immense pressure of proving themselves, getting everything easy, and on top of that, if as an educational institute आप उन्हें negative बोलोगे, they will become a rebel. You need to get in their shoes. The teachers need to be more frank, talking to them about their issues. वो पढ़ा ही नहीं पा रहे हैं सही से, इश्यूज की क्या बात करेंगे? दे विल कम एंड दे विल ब्लैकमेल यू ऑन अटेंडेंस. दे विल से कि क्रॉप टॉप मत पहन के. आई एम सेइंग देयर इज अ वे हाउ टू से क्रॉप टॉप मत पहन के या स्लीवलेस मत पहन के. देयर इज अ डेकोरम ऑफ द कॉलेज. बट इफ यू नो आई हैव सीन टीचर्स क्लिकिंग द पिक्चर ऑफ द क्लीवेज ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, सेइंग कि इतना डीप नेक पहन के यू आर डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग बॉयज. आई सेड ब्लडी हेल, हाउ यू कैन डू दैट? You can't do it in an institute at least. And those are the people at the position of HODs and principals. You can't do it, dude. Don't do that. There is a way to tell students, okay, fine, there's a decorum of the college, there's a what do you say, the
a
dress
uniformity
code
that needs to be
follow,
followed.
but you can't insult them in front of the whole class or say, why are you wearing spaghetti top, why are you wearing crop top. आप ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस पहले से दे दो, ह्यूमिलिएट मत करो. आप गेट के अंदर ही एंट्री मत दो ना, क्लास में आने के बाद आप बच्चे को ह्यूमिलिएट कर रहे हो. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट वेयर टीचर्स आर undue advantage of all of these things. You should not be taking. Be their friend. It's okay, they might not listen to you, they might not, but if you are able to connect to them, they will at least tell their problems to you. And once they start telling you certain things, you see how you can influence them. Okay, fine, let's do it in this way. Try to understand their problem. Okay, assignment नहीं कर रहा है, आप marks मत दो, या आप एक certain अपनी job करके छोड़ दो. So when you're saying that there's a gap, there's a massive gap in the institute and a kid. हमेशा बच्चे को लगता है कि यार ये लोग मुझे समझ नहीं सकते, because they are not communicating things right to them. There are few institutes which are able to understand, but there are still lot of teacher training needs to happen. The principals and HODs and the admin department especially, शायद हम सब ने वो face किया है. The way they throw your paper and they say ये लेके आ, कल आना, and you struggle for one stamp वहाँ पे. I can understand they have a lot of pressure, but make that atmosphere in such a way कि आप punishment भी दे रहे हो ना तो उसको realize हो कि उसकी गलती है.
Right.
Because you are the higher authority, right? Kids are kids, they're there to make mistake. You do it in a right way, I feel. So when you say gap, dude, there's a lot of training to deal with Gen Zs are required for the teachers right now as an institute, but there's a lot of things that parents also needs to be trained, because ये जो millennial parents है, sorry to say it, if they are watching, they are annoying. उनके लिए मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी गलत हो ही नहीं सकती.
राइट.
प्लीज गाइज डोंट डू दैट. ये तुम्हें ही बैकफायर करेगा, बिकॉज कल को वो क्रिमिनल बनेंगे ना, देन यू विल से कि मेरा बच्चा सही है, बिकॉज यू आर कवरिंग देम for everything.
Right. I think parents are losing accountability. They are not teaching their children accountability.
Yeah, because they are not giving time. They are buying them with money. So माँ बाप दोनों पैसे कमाने में लगे हुए हैं. I should not say that. Yes, you should earn money, but at the same time, teaching the right ethics and values to your kid is your responsibility as well.
Right.
If you're saying कि मेरा बेटा है, ये लो पैसे, नया पॉट ले आओ, नई गाड़ी ले आओ, tomorrow if he becomes a criminal, you're going to say the same thing? No, right? So I feel the parents are also
equally
responsible that what and how you are sending your kid out in there to our schools and colleges. They are not manageable because वो जो तुम्हारा राजा बेटा है ना, वो राजा बेटा कॉलेज और स्कूल में भी वही बिहेव करता है, and then it's a problem.
Right.
And then you come up with मेरे बेटे को ये कैसे बोला.
Right.
So that's, colleges and schools are in a fix of that as well. If they go rude to the kids, I don't know whether you are aware of the recent cases of the suicide case in Delhi, wherein the kid committed suicide in a very prominent school. He wrote a letter that how teachers and principals were treating or humiliating him. That same incident happened in Kharghar school as well. That school was not very famous, but girl came back home. She was in her 10th, I remember vaguely, because some students reached out to us, and she hanged herself because she was humiliated, and she was a Dalit student apparently, and तुम लोगों की औकात नहीं है. This kind of words are being used in the institute. So I'm saying that teachers it's a high time that we have trained teachers to deal with the kids that we have, the youngsters that we have, because the kind of language that we use, or the way we behave with them, gonna be making a lot of impact out there.
Right. And since this Dalit student thing has come up, I feel like India is a country where our educational systems do have admissions based on a particular caste system, which has always been very debatable out there. Like there are certain sections of people who believe it should not exist. There are certain section of students who think it should exist. What is your take on this? How much is this needed? How much is it valid, relevant?
Okay. So maybe I would say I cannot be 100% correct in there. First of all, why? Because a reservation was made for a certain reason.
Right.
Okay. It was for a right reason. It was to uplift people. People fought for that. And that's how equal rights of education and a lot of things were possible. Now, when it is misused by being an educational institute or the person who is availing it, that's wrong. So जिस लिए ये बनाया गया है वो बहुत सही चीज़ है, वो होनी चाहिए, because that's required to the people who deserve it, who don't have. See, as I said, not all of the people out there are privileged. We have certain privilege, other people have certain privilege, other people are not even having the basic things right in our country. So to bring them on one platform, there was some certain rule which was applied. ये controversial और debatable रहेगा हमेशा से, because if you want to run politics, obviously you will have to have some agenda, right? And the youngsters, the more unaware youngsters that we have, they will be manipulated to a level again. Why? Because they are not interested in politics. Right. They don't want to know history. They say कि क्यों जानना ज़रूरी है because आपकी life पे कहीं ना कहीं वो आगे जाके impact करेगा.
Right.
So when you say reservation, see, it is needed for the people who need it, but the way people are misusing it, I'm against it. But वही है ना कि कौन decide करेगा कि वो misuse हो रहा है और कौन decide करेगा कि ये इसके लिए है. जिस reason से वो बनाया गया था वो बहुत fair है. Again, lot of people ask me in Mumbai, when especially we talk about that, all the institutes are minority institutes.
Yeah.
So they have quotas, Gujarati, Sindhi, Catholic quotas. So all of these linguistic minorities get 50% of reservation.
Right.
They asked me, is it fair? I said, because this institute का foundation is that. I cannot say अभी उठ के कि ये unfair है. मुझे ये तो पता है ना कि वो बना क्यों है. वो बना इसलिए था क्योंकि वो समाज एक साथ आया, उन्होंने बोला कि हम अपने कम्युनिटी को अपलिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं, एंड दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट. एंड उन्होंने 50% बोला कि कोई और भी जब होगा उन्हें भी हम साथ में लेके चलेंगे. तो पहले तो वो चीज़ वो कर रहे हैं, उसको अभी तुम आके यहाँ पे बोल रहे हो कि यार ये गलत है.
Right.
So overnight there's nothing wrong. You should always understand why it was made, why it is, and how it is being used. That's a different story altogether. So I would say it's fair if you use it rightly.
Yeah. And because I think a lot of times students are only fed the idea of तेरी seat चली गई, देखा, you deserved the seat, but it went because of someone, it was
किसी
reserved for
कोटे वाले
someone
को
else.
मिल गया. So that's
Yeah.
what I'm saying ना, बहुत superficially हम बात करते हैं, हम कभी नहीं समझ पाते हैं उसका बैकग्राउंड और उसका रीजन
Right.
क्या है. जैसे कि अभी एक रिसेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज ने भी कहा था कि वो रिजर्वेशन जो था वो अपलिफ्ट कराने के लिए दिया गया था.
Yeah.
बट अगर एक जनरेशन ने अपलिफ्ट करके वो डॉक्टर बन गया है और अभी तुम्हारे पास सफिशिएंट पैसे है, तो तुम्हें वो नहीं मिलना चाहिए रिजर्वेशन, बिकॉज यू कैन अफोर्ड टू पे इट. तो आपको वो रिजर्व सीट नहीं मिलनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
वो उसे मिलनी चाहिए कि जिसे मौका ही नहीं मिला है.
Right.
सो नाउ अगेन इट इज इन कॉन्वर्जेशन कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है कि नहीं, और अभी फिर अप्रूव नहीं होगा तो जो लोगों को है कि भाई नहीं हमें चाहिए. वी नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु बिलोंग टू सर्टेन कास्ट बट हैव लॉट ऑफ मनी, राइट. तो ये कैसे प्रूफ होगा? बिकॉज इंडिया में तो हम
Right.
सब जानते हैं कि यार हमारे पास लाखों करोड़ों है, फिर भी हमारी ऑन पेपर इनकम इज नॉट इवन दैट मच. लाइक यू नो वी आर अंडर द टैक्स ब्रैकेट. सो दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. आई मीन इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट कि वो जो हम सुपरफिशियली बात करते हैं, हम जोक में करते हैं, बट व्हेन पीपल आर एक्चुअली सफरिंग with it, we don't even know the pain of those things. Yeah,
Right.
we can't even realize. So when we say on the face value, there's a lot of reels being made on feminism and women rights and all that. People, those who dance on item numbers, talk about feminism. How is it relevant? Tell me. I mean, they say women rights ये होना चाहिए. Women objectification के ऊपर अगर celebrities बात कर रहे हैं और वो खुद चिकनी चमेली पे और फेविकॉल चिपकाया है, all those गाने पे नाच रहे हैं, how is it relevant? Tell me. What we are talking about.
Yeah.
So again, it's a very debatable thing. It's very, it's something that you still have a choice. Kareena Kapoor can always say कि फेविकॉल गाने पे मैं नहीं नाचूंगी.
Yeah.
She has sufficient money, right? But she's doing it.
Yeah.
And then you talk about female rights and you talk about women objectification and stuff. So it's like that. All of things, what we talk or what
Yeah.
we do should resonate. That's
Right.
the most important thing.
So it again, I think, boils down to having the right information, understanding where what
Yes.
comes from, going back a little bit, digging a little bit into the
Yeah.
history of things, and
Understanding
then
things.
making an
when
opinion
you're making
of
your
things.
opinion, make an informed opinion. I would
Right.
say know about all the positives and negative. Don't go with one notion that ये सही है, ये गलत है. Nothing is black and white. Everything is gray. But at least that gray should be with your own understanding.
Right.
That was okay, fine. I believe in this. I don't believe in this. But still, how you decide that this or this, you can't, because वो gray area आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा somewhere.
Yeah.
That way.
Makes sense. And when it comes to making an informed decision about things, I think again, when the reservation part, if we like take out the reservation part from the admission processes, students also struggle a lot around I want to get into this particular college because वहाँ के students ऐसे हैं, वहाँ की lifestyle has a particular standard. There is I don't know, there is just an aura
Ask me. Every year I go through
created
that.
around
मुझे
a
यही
particular college.
एडमिशन चाहिए मैम, कुछ भी करके चाहिए. दे विल गो विद एनी रूट पॉसिबल. दे
Yeah.
आस्क यू ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटी. मुझे यही कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए. और वहाँ जाने के बाद फिर रोते भी है 1 साल बाद. मैम सुनो ना, यहाँ की अटेंडेंस पॉलिसी बहुत खराब है. मैं बोला इसके लिए तो यू वर क्राइंग, व्हाट हैपेंड. सो नाउ वो जो रियलिटी चेक हो जाता है उनका, देन दे रियलाइज कि नहीं मैम सब तो सेम है, ठीक है, मतलब अच्छा ही है, ओके, इट इज नॉट दैट व्हाट आई थॉट. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल देम मेक चॉइसेस, हैव दैट ब्रांड कि भाई मुझे ये पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज में जाना है, हैव अ टारगेट, बट डोंट बी एडमेंट ऑन इट. इट्स फाइन, it's all same. At the end of the day you only have to do what you have to do. It's just that it will give you a better, बोलते हैं ना कि तुझे अच्छा फील होगा, for एक साल, उसके बाद
Yeah.
it's all same at the end of the day. So you know, when you're talking about, yes, there's a lot of notion attached to the institute, and now it is more because they want to show it off on their gram, and I study in this, and especially when they are not from metro cities.
Yeah.
उनके दिमाग में एक ही दो कॉलेज है. See, they don't know the like, you know, say underlying pockets of Mumbai where there are a lot of
Right.
other institute which are doing well. They only know 2 or 3 names, और वो उसी के लिए आते हैं. और अब प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, उसी के लिए जब आते हैं, वो सीटें लिमिटेड है, डिमांड अपने आप उस चीज़ की बढ़ जाती है. तो डिमांड सप्लाई की बात जब आ जाती है तो ऐसा हो जाता है, अरे यार वहाँ पे तो एडमिशन नहीं मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
बात ऐसे नहीं मिल रहा है. बात ये है, एक तो वो माइनॉरिटी कॉलेज है, दूसरा चीज़ ये है कि reservation, as you said, in-house reservations भी होते हैं in certain courses. Then third thing ये होता है कि अगेन सीट लिमिटेड है, तो फाइट दिख रही है आपको कि यार इसमें एडमिशन नहीं मिला.
Yeah.
सो आई ऑलवेज से कि भाई, यू नो, डोंट स्टिक टू इट, लाइक कीप ऑप्शंस A B C D आप बना के
Right.
चल लो. एक साल के बाद तुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज you, whatever you're studying, you have to implement is in the market. Yes, if you go to a good institute, the difference gonna be you're gonna get a better exposure. As you said, the quality of students gonna be better, but quality वहाँ पे भी होती है diluted. Perfect कहीं नहीं होता. It is diluted. So you know, parents will come and ask me that अरे ये particular college, I don't want to name it, कि यहाँ पे ना सब बच्चे वीड मारते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे ना वो लड़कियाँ वहाँ खड़ी थी, मैम आई वेंट टू दैट कॉलेज, एंड वहाँ पे ना सब स्मोक करते हैं, मुझे नहीं भेजना अपनी बच्ची को वहाँ पे.
Right.
So you tell me how you put a cap on it. It's best of the colleges you are talking about, university
Yeah.
and colleges. I'm not talking about like चलता फिरता तो वो पहुँचेंगे भी नहीं. And then they talk about the language that they use
Yeah.
around the college. So all of this question comes in. So when you're saying the quality, कहाँ पे आप किस quality की बात कर रहे हो?
But that's the thing. This is, I think, a concern for the parents. But that is exactly the things probably the student is fascinated about.
Yeah. They are fascinated and they're like कि उनकी life happening है. They do more
Yeah,
parties.
like-
Which college crowd is cool?
हाँ.
And yeah, I mean there is, because again वहाँ पे आपका बहुत ज़्यादा pocket size भी matter करता है ना, कि when you are in that kind of peer group, they will be going out for parties. You won't believe this incident happened. I mean, this is not shocking for a lot of IB and international boards and IGCSE types. Why? Because this kid, he's like, ma'am, I don't want to sit with a crowd who is not able to pay for like taxis. They do sharing and they travel by train. I cannot do that, you know, because every time I plan for going out, they always have a struggle with money. So imagine that is also a concern for a kid
Yeah.
right now. And then AC classroom hona chahiye. Now that is the priorities.
Yeah.
Initially it was never lift use karne dena chahiye, because we cannot climb stairs, na. And I don't remember all of these things can ever be a concern, I
Yeah.
mean, for a student. But yes, as you're saying, there's a lot of expectation as a student life students are happening, which should
Right.
be. I mean, if you want that way, you will look for the college fest, you will look for the college
Right.
crowd, you will look for the kind of vibe that college gives you. So yes, check that out. I would say there are a lot of colleges who are doing good events, there are like, you know, good kind of exposure and the kind of crowd that is. But then again, those are private colleges, and if you are talking about university colleges, unki cutoff बहुत super high है. Then you have to make it to that cutoff and then go in
Right.
that way.
So if a student has to prepare a certain, I don't know, checklist for themselves, that these are the things I actually should be looking for, what would those things be?
Okay, so when you're looking for a college, the first thing I always tell them that please go in the course that you like to do. No matter how the good college is, अगर आप बोलोगे मुझे ये कॉलेज है, इसमें ये कोई भी कोर्स मिला तो मैं कर लूँगा, don't do that, because that won't help you. If you want to make a career, do a course that is relevant to you. Now so you're getting everything everywhere. So the course that has been offered, that should be your priority. Second, look at the college faculties, infrastructure and the student friendliness of the college, like how they are treating their students. Then comes your how many fest, what is the placement, because placement तो देख के इतना कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला. But yeah, if you're putting lot of money, then look at it. So look at the placement, look at the kind of collaborations the college is having. That will give you a holistic picture about the college, and then go ahead with that, because once you have the network in place in college, you can do lots.
Makes sense. And when it comes to students wanting to, you know, pick between if they should continue their further studies here in India or go abroad, I mean, there are students who can also want to go there even if their pocket size is not, you know, really approve of that, but there are ways people take loans
Definitely.
and everything. But how does a student really decide if this is worth it or this is something I should definitely go for? Because a lot of times a student is just aspiring
To be there.
to be there. It is an aspiration,
So-
sure, but a lot of times it happens that it is more about the lifestyle that a person aspires than the learning and knowledge.
That's true. I mean, all of us, when we are student, we aspire a lot for lifestyle than learning. It is a fact. Nobody
Yeah.
goes for मेरे को सिर्फ डिग्री या पढ़ाई करना है. Let's be blunt and honest.
Yeah.
Be it you, be it me, be it anybody. We all wanted that happening life. And
Yeah.
somewhere it's a fact that I want my college life to be, you know,
A particular
some
way, yeah,
particular
fun,
way, and
because
you know, it
that
should
is
be
where you're
fun.
living.
That's how it goes. So it's a fair thing if you dream of that and your pocket is not permitting you. There are courses which is 2+2 or 3+1 or 2+1. You can do that. I mean, wherein you have an integrated course that you do 2 years in India and 2 years abroad.
Yeah.
2 year in India and 1 year abroad, depending on, you know, you can pick that kind of course because that will give you the feel of everything. तुम्हारा इतना पैसा भी नहीं जा रहा, at the same time you can do your abroad study का, तेरा जो dream है वो भी पूरा हो गया. And if something clicks there, nothing like it यार, it is like a win-win for you कि अगर चल पड़ा तो कोई बात नहीं. But if the pocket size is really tight, do this way, like, you know, do this integrated program because you get a, what you would say, the taste of things in the initial years here, that what kind of study is going to be there. तो तेरा वो part sort हो गया. Then you are spending half the money abroad. Why? Because half of your education is happening here. So तुम्हारा fees ऐसे ही आधा हो गया.
Yeah.
So that will happen. Second, if you're superbly passionate and you're like कि मेरे को कुछ भी करके जाना है, look for the scholarships. There are a lot of universities abroad which are giving you free cost education.
Yeah.
तुम्हारा रहना और you know other things you have to pay, but rest of like your education is free if you crack the scholarship. So do
Right.
that. I think that is one way. Like these are the two ways I think works wonderful for people who are like कि भाई मुझे abroad जाना है. I want to for once live that life. So
Yeah.
please go ahead and do that because जो करना चाहते हो करो, उसका आगे क्या होगा वो मत सोचो. Because ये थोड़ा safe zone है. Rather than 100% putting the money, which
Right.
gonna cost you 75 lakhs to 1 crore, that's a huge amount. अगर आप लोन लेके जाओगे तो
Yeah.
फिर वो pressure बना रहेगा to repay it. Here you can cut down to half. Like आपका 40 से 35 लाख में somewhat around 2+2 इसमें हो जाएगा. That way you figure out तो तेरा cost आधा हो गया. Thirdly, if you pay the scholarship, again वो boil down हो जाएगा 30 to 25 lakhs में.
Right.
Because you're not spending more on the tuition fees is nullified. Do that way. So that is the safest way I feel. अगर आपका dream है तो भाई थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो करो,
Yeah.
you know, go crack it. And if you are do or die तेरे लिए है तो you will crack it for sure.
Yeah, I
That
mean,
is the way.
it just really then boils down to how much you want
You
it,
want
and
it.
you will have to put in effort.
Exactly. Because आप
ultimately.
बोलोगे मैं खुद कमा के जाऊंगा तो भाई देखो अभी तुम स्टूडेंट हो तो उतना कमा के तुम जा नहीं पाओगे. कहीं ना कहीं या तो लोन लोगे या तो आपके पेरेंट्स भरेंगे. So if that is a tight deadly situation, do this way. Like आप ब्रेक कर लो, आपका आधा कॉस्टिंग हो जाएगा. That will give
Yeah.
you breather and choose a country जहाँ पे थोड़ा cheaper option है. And then scholarship. That's the smoothest thing to do.
And if you had to give students a more realistic, I don't know, outcome of these things, what would it be? Because sometimes, I think a lot of times, at some point, I think even I've had this idea that once you go study abroad, you come back and then
पैसा ज़्यादा मिलेगा.
पैसा ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Because
नहीं होगा ये क्योंकि इंडिया का जो पेइंग कैपेसिटी है वो तो सेम रहेगा ना.
Right.
आप उतना खर्चा करके वापस आ रहे हो तो वो आपने किया है. बट मेरा जो पैसा देने का मतलब एक जॉब रोल पे मेरा स्पेंड है वो तो सेम रहेगा ना.
right.
मैं चाहे वो इंडिया से पढ़ के आए मैं उसे 4 लाख दूं या तुम वहां से पढ़ के आओ तुम्हें 4 लाख दूं, मेरा काम तो सेम ही होगा.
Right.
अनलेस एंड अंटिल दैट जॉब प्रोफाइल इज डिफरेंट. I mean that's something that requires that kind of expertise. Then you're gonna get the higher pay.
Correct.
Otherwise आप कहीं से भी पढ़ के आओ, the spending capacity of the company remains same, right?
Right.
If you want to earn the similar level of what you're spending, then you have to find a crack a job there. उसके लिए फिर तेरा PR कार्ड अप्लाई होना चाहिए. आपको वहाँ पे वर्क परमिशन मिलना चाहिए. तो लॉट ऑफ
Right.
स्टूडेंट्स डोंट चेक दिस बिफोर दे गो
Right.
अब्रॉड कि यू हैव अ स्टडी वीजा but you don't get work visa. So please check the country that gives you 3 to 5 years of work visa with your
Right.
like after. Otherwise बोलेंगे पढ़ाई हुआ चल पैकअप करो और जा यहाँ से हमारी कंट्री से. You don't have to. मतलब तुम लाके हमें पैसा दे
Yeah.
रही हो बट तुम यहाँ कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
Right.
So protocols are high. I mean, my brother is like my younger brother is in Canada. He's paying so much for all his paperwork और वो valid ही होता है 2 साल के लिए.
Yeah.
$500, $400 is the money that he's spending to just apply for that. और वो reject होता है तो you have to wait for the whole year.
Right.
For that you have to earn as well. So that's a tough situation for them.
And these are the things I think people need to consider before
Consider
moving.
before they are moving out. That's what I'm saying. No, if you are not sure about these things, just पढ़ने जा रहा हो वो लाला लैंड में मत जाओ. Because after that, how you gonna fix things वो भी देखो. इसलिए मैं
Yeah.
बोला ना कि जिसके पास पैसे जाओ, क्योंकि वो पैसे आपको माँ बाप देने ही वाले हैं.
That's right.
वो तुम्हें repay नहीं करना किसी को. That's a
Right.
different story altogether. But if you have the factor of repaying, consider everything out there.
Right.
Because there are parents I know who have a settled business also abroad. कि भाई मेरा बेटा वहीं पे थोड़ा टाइम काम कर लेगा, या I have a family or I have a friend who is already there who can help them figure out. That's a different story altogether. So it depends on again.
Depends on again,
So you have to do your research right before you
jump
go
into
ahead
these
and
things.
do this.
And just for the lifestyle, when
Yeah.
you jump in, even if you're doing it for the lifestyle, it is still going to need a lot of
Yeah,
research. I
that's
feel
true.
it all boils down to people, really looking for verified, proper research.
Yes.
And I think you, by this point, know the right person.
Yeah, they can reach out to us. I can, see, I consult students to study
Yeah.
in India, and I have people who can consult them to study
Right.
abroad. Because, see, I feel that if there's something I don't expertise in, I don't,
Of course.
get into that. Because I might know superficially, okay, fine, this country is good, this is the good thing, but I have my expertise in India. I mean, I have immense knowledge of, you talk about Mumbai, you talk about private colleges and the courses, how Indian education system operates. When you go abroad, it will change city to city. जैसे इंडिया में ही है, दिल्ली में एजुकेशन बहुत अलग है कंपेयर टू मुंबई. इमेजिन व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू अ डिफरेंट कंट्री, हम क्या बोलते हैं यूएस जा रहा है, यूएस में भी एक डिफरेंट सिटी में डिफरेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं.
Yeah.
तो वो समझना, आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव दैट मच ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू टेल अ स्टूडेंट कि यूएस में यही चीज तू कर, ये अच्छा
Right.
है. That is unfair if I give half knowledge. So
Of
that's why
course.
I refer them to the concerned person, whichever
Right.
country they want to go.
Of
And
course.
accordingly, you do your thorough research and then take a call. That's completely all. Like recently, I have started getting, youngsters who wants to go to Korea, South Korea.
Yes.
There's a fad, and there is
Yes.
this classes which are started for topic. They're giving the language exam,
Yeah.
obviously, because language is a major factor, and they want to go to Korea. I'm like, क्यों जाना है तेरे को? I'm a BTS fan. I'm like, okay.
Army.
Yeah, and a BTS army. And I'm like, okay, that's why you want to go Korea.
Yeah.
And they're like, हाँ वहाँ जाके पढ़ना है, but क्या पढ़ोगे? नहीं, मुझे कोरिया जाना है, पढ़ाई कोई भी चल जाएगी वहाँ पे. I'm like, language is such a barrier because the language and everything. So South Korea has become a thing for a lot of people I see.
Yes.
They want
They-
to go there. They're learning the language. You talk about, how the whole trend for youngsters are
Yeah.
changing, that we have started eating also Korean food. There's a lot of Korean food fad,
A
and
lot.
especially the beauty thing.
Beauty,
So maybe the
K-beauty.
beauty and the food, and again the BTS has to play a major role in there.
Yes.
All of these influencing the young minds कि नहीं, South Korea is the
Yeah.
place I want to be in. So they want to go to South Korean universities, and lot of avenues are opening for Indian students. पहले कम जा रहे थे, अब देखा गया है कि lot of students want to go. I'm like, this is interesting.
Yeah, but then again, they're chasing a lifestyle, then the
Yes.
knowledge or
Yes.
actual
So
learning.
it's a fact. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's a youth channel, and I would say it's nothing wrong.
Yeah.
They want a lifestyle. वो career बना लेते हैं उसमें से. I mean, they want that is a time that you want that lifestyle. You want to live your life in a certain way.
Right.
But I would say वो certain life जीने के चक्कर में compromise मत करना अपने career पे. दोनों को साथ में लेके चलो. Think
Right.
of it like, okay, fine, I want this, but at the end of the day, उसका जो मेरे को साथ में चीजें करनी है, that should also be there.
Right.
Then it is like a good thing. It's fun. I mean, you should have
Yeah,
that.
I think while you were saying this, interesting thing popped in my head. That was ki, I think a lot of times we are made to choose our career on the basis of ki, okay, this will pay you more, this will make your life easy or something. But we never are made to choose things based on what kind of a lifestyle we want.
Yeah.
Like if someone has told me, no, you know what, being an engineer will pay you a certain amount and your life is going to be fine, but if that does not I don't know, align with the kind of life I want to live, with the kind of, I don't know, lifestyle I have, then that career will not,
You won't
it
be
will not,
happy.
yeah,
I
I
mean,
won't be happy.
see,
It will not matter
that's true.
if it's paying me as much. So when people also are trying to, give out information ki, listen, this career will give you X amount of money. So
Right,
that is why
but
you should pick it.
that I'll tell you what. Have you seen all the clickbaity reels and videos that works?
Yeah.
You earn this many package, like this much amount of package with this degree. I'm like,
Yeah.
bullshit.
That's
Doesn't work. I mean, this amount of package doesn't guarantee with this kind of profile. Again, that's the demand. People want to
yeah.
know कि मुझे पैसा कहाँ ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Top 10 paying, top
Huh.
10 whatever trending
yeah,
or paying
top 10 jobs
profiles.
that pay you the most.
I'm like, I have to make out of majburi, पता है, because of the audience that's watching it. I have to make it out of majburi, top 10 highest paying job.
Yeah.
Nobody can define that. See, an artist can earn a money that you can never imagine an engineer is earning or a data scientist is earning. A person who is brilliant with, selling whatever that small business they are doing, or if they are passionate about it. So don't stop selling or consuming this idea of highest paying something. Yes, there is indeed a portfolio that pays you well, but वो पे तो हमेशा change होता है आपके expertise पे ना. अगर किसी company को ये बंदा चाहिए, they are paying millions to him. Why? If they want Sundar Pichai, they are paying what he demands because that's what he brings on the table, right? That's why Alphabet is paying him so much. Similarly, if you talk about earning, अभी engineer से ज़्यादा content creators कमा रहे हैं. Whatever they do, वो नाच के कमाए या फिर वो मेकअप करके कमाए, they are earning money, right? When you say what will pay you is what makes you satisfied. Now don't compare your degree with the payment. Money making is a different art. Studies is something different. आप अगर पढ़ाई पैसे के लिए सोच के कर रहे हो तो वो कहीं ना कहीं gonna be a factor कि ये डिग्री मुझे इतना पैसा देगी, वो अब रहा नहीं है कि ये डिग्री से ये मिलने वाला है. As we were talking about AI,
Right.
ये डिग्री will help you make money or get the starting entry. It's like a visa कि तू कंट्री में चला गया. कंट्री में जाके क्या कर रहे हो, तो पॉकेट साइज पे है ना कि दुबई जाके एक नॉर्मल पैकेज पे आ जाते हैं, एक जाके क्रूज पे रहते हैं, बट वीजा तो लगता है सबको. सो एजुकेशन कंसिडर इट लाइक दैट. इट्स योर बेस नॉलेज. वट एवर एजुकेशन दैट यू आर डूइंग, do something that is your interest, you're passionate about, because formal education kahin na kahin required rehta hai for your own growth, not only for the degree but having a college life, overall personality development. So do that degree, but don't consider ki ye degree se mujhe itna paisa main nikal paunga.
Right.
That gonna be different ball game altogether. See, so many filmmakers today have never studied film, and people are spending lakhs of money on learning the technical aspect and
going
learning
to New
films.
York Film School.
Never became director.
Right.
Okay, so that is how it works. So when you are telling me कि मैं passionate किसी चीज़ के लिए हूँ और मैं मजबूरी में इंजीनियरिंग करने बैठा हूँ, तो मजबूरी वाला पढ़ाई मत करो. आप वो पढ़ाई करो जो आपको लगता है कि okay fine, this is relevant, I want a formal education in certain thing, management, marketing, whatever. Don't think about कि marketing में आगे क्या होगा. That all will depend on your skill set. There's a certain requirement of कि मैथ्स होगा तो आप इंजीनियर बन सकते हो, बट अच्छा इंजीनियर बनने के लिए भी तेरा पैशन चाहिए ना उधर. दैट आई लव रोबोटिक्स, सो आई कैन बी देयर, आई कैन क्रिएट समथिंग, गो अहेड. देन डोंट बी अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन यू आर सेइंग नथिंग, I should be happy in what I am doing or have the vibe, you will find it. So don't compare it with a career, because कोई एक defined career या फिर चीज़ें नहीं होती है उसके लिए. One degree will give you 10,000 job opportunities. आप कहाँ पे fit होते हो, आपको वो profile ढूंढना पड़ेगा. That way.
Yeah. It's a lot of self-learning and self-understanding in that. Yeah.
Now you tell me the job markets, like the degrees which has come up, the latest one, say they will sell you BBA in luxury management.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you are somewhere into the business, dealing with brands and all. You tell me, when you say luxury management, BBA, आप 3 साल पढ़ोगे, आपको क्या लगता है आप क्या पढ़ने वाले हो?
I don't know, probably dealing with these luxury brands.
Brands, okay. End of the day आपकी जॉब क्या होगी? स्टार्टिंग जॉब क्या होगी? या फिर उसमें भी जॉब रोल्स होंगे. लग्जरी ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट जब आप सीख रहे हो, या तो आप क्रिएटिव साइड पे जाओगे जहाँ पे आप ब्रांड कम्युनिकेशन बना रहे हो, आप ब्रांड के लिए, और वो लेवल पे पहुँचने के लिए आपको उतना इंसेनली उन्हें सारी चीज़ें देनी होगी. दूसरा जॉब आपका मार्केटिंग और सेल्स का ही आएगा ना. सिर्फ तेरा प्रोडक्ट बदल गया. यहाँ पे तू मैक्स और जूडियो की जगह यू विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट जारा एंड गुची एंड लुई विटॉन, राइट? ऑल द बिग ब्रांड्स दैट वी टॉक अबाउट. बट आपका सेल्स और मार्केटिंग ही प्रोफाइल होगा ना वहाँ पे भी. तुम्हारा क्लाइंट्स बदल जाएगा. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट लग्जरी ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट इज द न्यू थिंग. अगेन इट कम्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एज अ फैंसी नेम,
Right.
फ्लैशिंग ऑन योर फेस. ओ लग्जरी ब्रांड. करने तो आप वाले सेल्स हो, मैनेजमेंट हो, मार्केटिंग हो. अगर आप क्रिएटिव साइड पे चले गए देन यू विल बिकम अ ब्रांड कम्युनिकेशन मैनेजर, वेर इन यू आर डिजाइनिंग द ब्रांड और मेकिंग एड्स फॉर देम और हायरिंग पीपल टू एडवर्टाइज फॉर देम.
Right.
जॉब रोल कहाँ चेंज हो गई मुझे बताओ, राइट? योर ब्रांड चेंज. सो when we say that you don't go with the fancy name, get your basics right in education, everything will figure out. Like, get your basic right, get the relevant and the closest course that makes you happy, and वो तुम्हें पढ़ाई burden ना लगे. Go with that and then start exploring, because that 3 years you're gonna explore only.
Right.
आज हम लोग ब्लेम कर रहे हैं एजुकेशन सिस्टम को कि पढ़ाई से क्या होता है, पढ़ाई से तो हमने कुछ सीखा नहीं है. यार पहले भी कोई कुछ नहीं सीखता था कॉलेज में. कॉलेज जाते थे, खुद से जितना पढ़ते थे वही स्कोर करते थे. सो कॉलेज में कौन पढ़ने के लिए जाता है? दिस 10% of the study or 20% of the study that is happening in college, but there is so much of learning as a life that happens in college. You can never be a student. See, do you agree with that? Now तेरे को जिंदगी भर काम करना है, you want to be so called professional and you have to make money till you die. But can you be a student, go and sit on that same bench and study or bunk college?
Not at all.
So what you will say to the youngsters? कि be the student when you are student, right? Enjoy your life, make mistakes. भीख मांगो अपने पेरेंट्स से, चलेगा. बिकॉज अब नहीं मांग सकते हो ना तुम, मैं भी नहीं मांग सकती, बिकॉज दैट्स गॉन. यू कांट से डैड आई नीड 500 rupees. You can't do that.
Yeah.
So when you're doing that, you're feeling ashamed at the age of 13 or 14. I would say, dude, you will regret that later. मांग लो जो मांगना है.
मांग लो, yeah, that is the time. आगे शायद मांगोगे भी तो ना मिले.
नहीं, मिल जाएगा. None of the parents will say no.
Yeah, true.
Even if they don't have anything with them,
true.
they will give you the money, but they'll not say no. But I'm saying, will you ask? You will not.
No.
But at the very early age, why are you thinking so much? I would say. Be a student.
I think people are a lot wrapped around this idea as well, that I want to make money, I want to be independent.
But why independent?
It does come from a Western, because
no, that's okay,
everyone,
but why independent? Tell me.
I don't know, to make their own decisions, to have their own spending power, and which is okay, fine, fair. But then again, it's, you don't have to like put yourself out there like, oh my god, abhi se matlab mujhe apna empire khada karna padega. I will have to become an entrepreneur.
Independent. They are not wrong, because I was also the same. मुझे नहीं सुनना मेरे माँ बाप की.
I think we have all been there.
Yeah, I don't want to listen to them. I don't want to go back home and work. Like, मुझे नहीं बर्तन धोना, मम्मी ये काम कराती है.
मुझे नहीं घर की दाल खानी,
मुझे रात को बाहर नहीं निकलने देते.
मुझे खाना है, बाहर का खाना है.
So मुझे बाहर नहीं निकलने देते हैं रात को. I have a time limit because of the home. My friends in hostels can do whatever they want. So being independent again comes with lot of notions. I would say you will be independent. एक टाइम के सब छोड़ देंगे तुम्हें, दुनिया छोड़ देगी तुम्हें खुद ही करना है जो करना है. But now when you are like there in that center, I would say parents should not restrict them when they are wanting to explore and want to work, but understand as a youngster they are just being protective, nothing else.
True.
So which has been misconceived by lot of youngsters. I feel मेरे डैड को कुछ नहीं समझता, they just want to do this, but the world out there is little brutal. So they just try to be there as a parent to protect you, because at the end of the day you are their child. So understand them. I would not say all the parents are correct, but I would say understand their side also. And parents should understand kids side also, कि वो हमेशा तो नहीं जाती. It's okay. You have to give them little freedom, not curb everything.
There has
and
to
keep
be
them
a
in a
middle
shell.
ground.
Balance होना चाहिए parents and student का. So being independent again is like, हो जाओगे यार, वही होना है at the end of the day. So don't rush into it. Just go थोड़ा मतलब smoothly. It'll happen.
So I think, Pooja, we have covered a lot of information at this point, and I hope that the students have really gotten something out of this. Please listen to this entire conversation till the end. And I think to sum things up, I would just like to ask you one question, that do you really think that a person looking to make their career or choose their formal education, further education in India, stunts one's growth, or it's just...
No. Not at
right?
all. No, 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 not at
It's
all.
just a
Like
notion.
it's not even a notion anymore. I think India has a very good education system in
Yeah,
terms of if you choose a right place. I mean, right institute in a way, I would say, and you have lot of other things to complement. So don't even think that it is restricting you somewhere.
yeah,
Not at all. Yes, in a certain way, if you want to be specific with what you need and India is not having it, you can think about it that way.
right,
But then otherwise, I don't think so there's any problem as such that you should feel कि मैं अगर इंडिया में पढ़ रहा हूँ तो मेरे को कोई restriction है. Not at all.
right.
I
Not
think
at all.
no.
It is just about what kind of research you do,
Yeah,
what kind of field you're picking,
exactly. And
and
now though it's more skill driven, as I said, your profile, your portfolio, all the international certifications are available in your country. You can learn
right,
so much online. So now it's not restricted to that you have to go there. You can do
right,
things online. So many things are possible. And now, as the recent news also says, a lot of international universities are coming to India, and
right.
maximum of them in Maharashtra. So,
Yeah,
if you talk about the university kind of an exposure, lot of our Indian institutes or universities have tied up with abroad
yeah,
universities. So there's nothing like there's any restriction if you study
right.
in
Nothing
India.
is going to hold you back,
Nothing. If
provided
you're
you
capable,
do the
you
right.
have amazing institutes here. There's
Right.
not to worry about it.
Great. So it's really just about one's, I don't know, knowledge, one's application of the knowledge,
Yeah.
and the, I don't know,
See,
I'm not
it's
getting the right
when
word.
you talk about an individual, say how much commitment and the willingness to
Right.
learn that a student is having, it can do wonders. Trust me. You
True.
have the platform, you do get opportunities, but you have to be little patient and keep working towards it. That's the end of the day will matter. So, if you get the right kind of education, again, implementation of it, get like fetching for the right opportunities will take you some time if you don't have the say right resources in place, because that's again money factor. If you have the money, you might get the resources easily and the opportunity is much easier. That's the only difference, but you will get it. So
Right.
if you are committed to what you want to do, you will make big in India and the good
Yeah.
amount of money. Because imagine India is having the highest number of iPhone users,
Yeah.
और फिर हम बोलते हैं हमारा देश गरीब है. That's
Garib.
very contradictory. So yeah, I
True.
mean, that is there. See, again, there is a different section where we talk about the poverty and everything, but when you talk about the consumer market, India is so massive.
Right. And we do have opportunities. It's
We do
just that
have.
you start looking for.
Yeah, even for AI. So I just want to, like, if you guys now have got it that ChatGPT is free, and on top of that, you are getting, a free Gemini from, if you are a Reliance user, Jio
Right.
user आपको दे रहा है.
Right.
Why they are giving you, if you youngsters want to know, that India is one of the biggest research market, because maximum number of young user using this application.
Right.
तो आप जो फन सेक बना रहे हो ना चीज़ें Gemini यूज़ करके जो फ्री में मिल रहा है, it's you are training AI. So we Indians are doing it, and India is so versatile with the knowledge and with tradition, culture, languages. So when we say India is the only country which mixes Hindi and English and Marathi together, and then Malayalam and Tamil and English together, so we are doing that, and we are training the AI bot, and that's why they are offering us things free, because we are the massive, say the research market for them. So
Right.
if those things are happening, imagine when we say opportunities, you have immense. You just need to go and grab it.
Exactly. Please look for the right opportunities, right places. Put in a little bit of time into the research and understanding what goes about where. And I think you will be good to go. And there are always people like Pooja and more coaches. Please do look for verified sources.
Yeah,
though.
verified sources.
Yes.
And as you're saying, there are a lot of people who are doing good job in
Right.
terms of giving you the factual things, which
Right.
is again well researched. So check their background, whosoever
Right.
you're listening to, because when you talk about social media, it's just the number game. If you're falling for, आप अपने career decision हो या life decision हो, या especially I would say even with career health decisions, ये खाने से पतले हो जाओगे भाई, सुनो, check their background.
Yeah.
And I mean, listen to again the people who are
Yeah.
capable and authorized to say so.
True.
So when as a youngster we are consuming, or anybody, not only youngsters, any information that we consume on social media, please verify it.
Right.
That's really important.
So again, media literacy, guys.
Yeah,
Please
media
pay
literacy
a little
is
more
important.
attention.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. I think
Yeah.
institute should get into that, and
Yes.
then we'll be able to change
Yes, a
the
lot of
impact.
yes, a lot of things. One last question: if you had to leave the educational institutes, the parents, and the students with one last piece of advice, what would that be?
Okay, so that piece of advice would be, guys, we have to work together. If we need to change this as a student, we have to ask questions. We have to be responsible, because a lot of the time it happens that students go to colleges or schools just for attendance. Dude, you have paid for it. Ask, demand what you have paid for. Student will have to do their job. Colleges will have to train their faculties and teachers how to behave, how to teach, upgrade them with AI, because आज के time पे बच्चे को teacher से ज़्यादा पता है, तो the teachers need to be
Yeah.
a step ahead than a kid. So teachers need to be trained. And educational institute, you are a business, but then make business in an ethical way. And then finally comes the government. So all of these three people will have to keep our government in check with the policies that they come up with.
Yeah.
That, dude, if you're coming up with these policies, how it gonna impact all three of us? So
Right.
the student or the parent or the institutes will have to work together to bring in a change, because
Right.
ये एक से नहीं होगा.
Right.
इंस्टीट्यूट सिर्फ कर रहा है और बच्चे रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं, एंड ये बोल रहे हैं कि टीचर्स क्यों पढ़ा रहे हैं, इन्होंने खुद बिजनेस नहीं किया है. यू माइट हैव कम अक्रॉस
Yeah.
द रील कि ये खुद तो कमाए नहीं है, ये हमको बिजनेस सिखाएंगे. Dude, come on. The coaches can't be good players. The good player cannot be a good coach. Everyone is defined
Yeah.
for their roles. So do not listen to such kind of, मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि बेकार की advices. So all of us together can do a lot for the education system
Right.
as a whole thing. So education is really important for any country, I would say. If
True.
they have an informed and an educated people, as a country, we will be a different, say what we are today, we can be completely a different, say, ideology country if
True.
we are well informed.
Because I think everyone has said this at this point, that India has potential. We are obviously the maximum youth population. We have so much potential. We have so much resources, so much information. We just need to come together
Yeah,
and
because
use it to our
use it-
benefit collectively.
exactly. Yeah, because we need to understand, we say cringe hai, brain rot hai, ye hai, but understand where to stop. I mean,
Right.
what is right, what is wrong. Cringe or social media or people will come and say कि ये AI से पैसे बन जाएंगे, ये कर लो, पढ़ाई छोड़ दो. Dude, please don't fall for all of these things. Use
Yes.
your own, say, maturity, understanding and knowledge to take the
True.
decision.
I think that's a wonderful note to leave
Thank
the
you.
students, institutions, parents, whoever is watching. I hope all of you are watching. And thank you so much, Pooja, for
you so much for
passing
having
on
me
this
here.
wonderful information and knowledge we all need. All of us, I think, across all ages, we all should understand, because we all have studied. We all might be parents at some point. We all have siblings, cousins, whatever. And I think this is the kind of knowledge all of us should have at every point in life. And
That's true.
I hope this helps you all. So if it has helped you, please don't forget to share it with your peers, your family, your friends, whoever needs this information. And don't forget to like this episode, share with your friends, comment if you have any doubts, and we'll try our best to solve whatever comments, doubts, queries you have. And yeah, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you so much.